people drive loud cars. Okay, you better get it, husband. Hello beautiful, welcome back. Before we jump into this vlog, I do want to share today's sponsor of this portion of this video, and it is a Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty is launching their world's first custom co-wash for curly and coily hair. Now I have here coily hair, as you guys see for yourself. Now Function of Beauty teamed up with 3 women from the natural hair community. I'm gonna have their names pop up. Now they created this revolution co-wash. Now girl, the ingredients in this co-wash is amazing. It includes moisturizing blend of shea butter, Jamaican black castor seed oil, avocado oil, hydrolyzed quinoa, and aloe vera juice. You guys, these are all amazing ingredients that I enjoy and need in my hair. Now one thing that I love and enjoy from this co-wash is the fact that it softens my hair and it also detangles pretty easy, as you guys see for yourself. I have pretty dry hair, so moisture is definitely something that I need in my hair, and I love the fact that this co-wash does that for me. Now you can get 20% off this co-wash bottle today, you guys. Go ahead and click in the description box to get your hands on this co-wash. I promise y'all gonna love it. Is it me or my camera is blurry? What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther, and it's so good to have you guys tuning in yet in another video. It's Friday, your girl's still working. It is 1:43. I just knocked down one try on haul for you guys. I'm gonna do another try on haul right now, and then I want to get my beauty room together today. If I show you guys my beauty room, it's embarrassing. We're friends here, we're not judging anybody, we don't judge on this channel, but I just want to show y'all what a real life crisis look like. I have just been procrastinating, and honestly I don't know how I walk in this room, create content for you guys, and walk out like nothing is like nothing is going on in this room. This is how it looks. I know, pretty messy. So I haven't really done much to this room. Everything is still in boxes. Clearly you see wigs in in their own little areas as if they do not exist. I just threw them. I am gonna get a new table, like a new desk for me, because this has been rocking with me for so long, and it's actually from Amazon, but it is just, you know, shaky. I would like to get this room together and make it look like my beauty space. And yeah, so grab yourself a snack and just vibe with me. I have realized this room gets super hot, and I'm just like, is there no like air that comes through this room at all? So I'm gonna turn this fan on. I was gonna open up the windows, but it is extremely loud out there, so I figured the fan would do. I have an idea. I was gonna clear up my little desk, but then I'm like, why clear it up? Well, we gotta organize anyway, so we're gonna just organize first and then clear this area out and go from there. Oh, you guys, I wish you guys were here to help me. Oh my goodness. Gosh, I'm just gonna move these boxes out of the way. Oh, this is heavy. So what I did, I bought some IKEA. Why do you people drive loud cars? But I have these, I'll call them placemats. They're probably not that, but I got these from IKEA. So I'm going to cut this. Please tell me I have scissors, because this is not the time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to cut these and place the mats in here before I put any makeup, because I do not want to get my drawers dirty or anything like that. So we're just gonna measure. I'm gonna start placing these what is this called, spice rack, and I'm just gonna place them in there. Now this size right here is a little smaller, so it's not gonna fit 2. I thought it's gonna be able to fit 2, but it can't, so it can only fit 1. I know this one can fit 2 racks. This one can probably fit 3. So I don't think I'm going to place any of these mats in the big drawer, only because the little ones, they will have space still, and I don't want makeup to, you know, fall or spill on there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just like put 3 in each and every drawer that I have here. Later, I'm almost done. Not quite. I'm not gonna even gas myself, but I do feel like I see the floor, but it's still messy in this room. But girl, it is 7:42. Your girl needs to get ready, get cute, and we're gonna head out and just enjoy the night. Friday night, I feel like we've worked all day today, so we do need a break. I know it's a little dark in this room, but I just wanted to show you guys outfit of the night. Nothing crazy, something super simple. Just wanted to rock this bodysuit that I got from Misguided a while back, and then this purse. I actually just did a haul for you guys. This is from PLT. Jeans are from Fashion Nova. I like the low V shape that it's giving me, so I felt like this really looks good with a bodysuit, honestly. And then has a little bit of distress, and then my shoes are actually right there. You know what's crazy, you guys? Junior is wearing the same color, like the same color as me. It's so weird. Like, how are we matching right now? Now you can see us, okay? We got the brown tones going on. I love Junior's outfit. Okay, Junior, you better get it, boo. Okay, you better get it, husband.
Yes, wifey.
Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday and I am currently getting ready for church. I did not vlog Saturday because it was rainy, gloomy. Girl, all we did is just chill and watch movies all day. Sometimes you just have to do what you gotta do, girl. You ain't gotta be all the time out and about. You can just chill and relax, you know, and just take it easy. Do you guys see my skin? It's looking so healthy, and girl, yes, I'm all up in y'all face. So with me being obsessed with my skin today, guess what? Esther is not gonna wear makeup like that. I have to embrace this skin right now. I just realized that I finished my beauty room pretty much. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I told y'all my main focus was to get everything that I can get out of the floor and into the drawers, and we pretty much did that for the most part. But the only thing that I have left in this beauty room to do is take some of these clothes out, and I'm pretty sure these are my last year's summer clothes, but I did not unbox it in time, so I didn't get to like rock any of the clothes in there. But the only thing I have left to put away is eyeshadows and my eyeliner, lip liners, my lip gloss, my lipsticks, and all that good stuff in those boxes. And then I have here, this is the box that's gonna go to my sisters. I had to organize a lot of makeup. They wanted some makeup that I am not using, and this is their box. Here is where my skincare is at right now, and I'm loving, loving, loving. It's easier for me to see. When I have enough time in my hands, I'm gonna actually coordinate it like a lot better than this. I just went ahead and just put them in there just to get boxes out of the way. Lashes, bronzers. This is empty so far. We have eyeshadow palettes in here, a lot of eyeshadow palettes in here, and this is my favorite part because of all the products I use. Foundation, concealers, they're here, and I went ahead and just actually coordinated with each brand to make it easier for me. Like if it's NARS, we have a whole row of NARS. So that makes me so happy. When I look at this, I'm like, yes, it looks so much cleaner. I feel like a weight is out of my shoulder right now because this room has been so depressing. I still come in here and work, but again, it's just like, come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of makeup, nothing crazy. Ooh, okay, Mr. Handsome, okay. Quick outfit of the day. I'm just rocking this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. Decided to rock this pink blazer with it, and I'm honestly gonna just rock it with some white flats. But other than that, this is outfit of the day. Was trying to clean this room and stuff, but we gotta get going because we are running late. Church was so good. We loved it. First time there, and we're definitely returning. I think that's going to be our home church. What do you think? So we are heading home right now. My friend just texted me. We're supposed to be getting lunch with them at 2 p.m. I'm not gonna keep this vlog on for too long, honestly.
Trees are really changing color.
Yeah, the trees are changing colors.
Oh, y'all, we get into the fall.
We
fall
are
season. My favorite season.
Same.